In this video, we will learn and understand how to optimize the batteries used in SolaHD uninterruptible power supply products. All UPS have batteries that are essential in providing the required battery runtime to connected electrical devices. Typically, UPS batteries should last 3 to 5 years. However, outside factors like ambient temperature, load level, depth of discharge to charge and discharge cycles, among others, can diminish the UPS battery life to 2 to 3 years. Here are some guidelines to help maximize the battery life in uninterruptible power supplies. A. Ensure that the UPS module or its battery is kept or installed in temperature-controlled environment with proper air ventilation. The optimal ambient temperature should not exceed 24 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. B. The optimal operating temperature for a lead-acid type battery is 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher ambient temperatures can reduce battery life. C. Perform battery runtime calibrations on the UPS every once or twice a year only. Doing it several times can significantly decrease the battery lifespan. D. Do not store the UPS and its batteries for extended period. Similar to a car battery, UPS batteries will be depleted if it is not charged accordingly per instructions. E. Increasing the amount of load connected to a UPS will result in a shorter battery runtime. For longer battery life, it is recommended that the load must not exceed 80% of the UPS rated capacity. For any technical questions or concerns about SolaHD products, please call us at 1-800-377-4384 for assistance. Thank you for watching.